In Chapter 9 of Fight Club by Chuck Palahniuk, the intensity of the relationship between the narrator and Tyler Durden escalates significantly. This chapter vividly captures a pivotal moment that symbolizes the depth of their bond, as well as Tyler's radical ideology and his influence over the narrator. As the chapter begins, the narrator experiences acute pain when Tyler pours lye onto a kiss-shaped moisture on the back of his hand, a grim and painful initiation. The pain is excruciating, and the narrator attempts to mentally escape it by reminiscing about a less painful time in Ireland. However, Tyler forcefully brings him back to the present, stressing the importance of confronting and embracing the pain. Tyler's rationale for this brutal act is steeped in a philosophy that intertwines destruction and rebirth. He declares this moment of pain as the greatest moment of the narrator's life, emphasizing the imperative of acknowledging one's mortality. Tyler's dialogue suggests that pain and awareness of death can catalyze a profound personal transformation. Expanding on this theme, Tyler ties the burning caused by the lie to a narrative about the origins of soap, drawing a parallel between the personal sacrifice the narrator is making and ancient human sacrifices. According to Tyler, in times past, human sacrifices were burned, and the combination of their fat, rain, and the ashes would create lye, which, when mixed with more fat, produced soap. This process, he explains, is a metaphor for the foundational sacrifices underlying human civilization. He compares these ancient rituals to modern practices, such as animal testing and space exploration, suggesting that progress and comfort often come at the cost of suffering and sacrifice. Tyler's monologue on the cycle of death and rebirth, sacrifice and regeneration, is intended to convey a larger point about the disposability of individual lives in the grand scheme of human evolution and societal advancement. He insinuates that pain and death are not only inevitable, but also necessary for growth and the continuation of life. Through this harrowing experience, the narrator is forced to confront his mortality and the pain of existence head-on without the aid of the numbing comforts of modern life. The act of burning the narrator's hand with lye becomes a violent rite of passage, a physical and symbolic affirmation of his commitment to Tyler's philosophy and the Fight Club's ethos of rebirth through self-destruction. This chapter is crucial in understanding the depth of Tyler's influence over the narrator and the extremes to which he will go to impart his nihilistic and anarchistic worldview. That's all for today. If you liked this bookly chapter summary, please let me know by pressing the like button or leaving a comment down below.